Yo, what's up guys? Today we're playing, this is a demo version of Tropical Paradise. If you're wondering what that says, it says paradise. That is not meant to be taken seriously. Well, it actually is not. This is a really good, just a good simulator. You can try it. Go to Ramon48333 or go to Bob101034. He does not make any more stuff, but I do. Now, I made Player Wars. I haven't showed you guys that, but hop onto Roblox and you'll see it's really good. Real good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Real good. But guys, I'm gonna hop on and I'll show you the game. Now, I am doing my first, maybe second, I don't know, maybe third live stream. I'm not doing a live stream pretty much. I'm just doing the video. Now, we got zombies. I know how to take care of them. Hold up, we need the official gun. We don't have the official gun. This can kill them all. Now you want to make sure they die and watch what happens when you kill them. They fall apart, immediately just die in the water. Like they will seriously, it's fine. Now, they can't heal because they're not zombies. They're not healing zombies. Now guys, if you hear that, that's just my mom.
Miss Tori.
Oh, I'm recording.
Oh, sorry, Tori.
Recording the video.
Even yours isn't done yet.
Okay, good. Guys, as you can see, they fall apart easily in the water and they will sink. See? Now, let me guys show you what this is all about. Now, if I go in my sister's server, which he can't be seen in the video because this is a webcam only. Well, this is webcam only, so it's not, so it's a recording software. I have to edit the video when I'm done. But yeah, guys, you explore new routes. There's so much to explore. If you go all the way down, you guys will see, maybe there's a secret, I don't know. Yeah, there's a secret somewhere. Here. You must find the hidden. Look at all that. It goes all the way down to there. Now, you spawn back here. Do not use the missile or this will happen. You guys see that? It is not good. And then watch what happens. You fall right under there. Now guys, don't worry. It is a little, all you gotta do is just X out the tab. Get back on, and I will show you guys Player Wars. Now, Player Wars is just a game based off of you survive. Oh, credit to Natural Disaster, because Stickman Luke made the original Natural Disaster Tower, so I used it. You want to go to here, multiple, and then if you guys, yeah, it's called New Player Wars. There's update 3, but update 3 is bugged. I'm still fixing the bugs on update 3. But yeah, guys, don't, you guys can read that and pause it, because I don't know if it's gonna do it. If you guys see that, just ignore it. I'm playing on Windows 10 currently, if you guys see. Now, you guys may be wondering, What is this? Ooh, this game looks awesome. Yes. You use teleporters around the map provided with you, and don't set off the nukes. You gotta go to the Roblox building and talk to the headmaster's office. There's nobody in the Roblox building, but on update 3, no, update 4, I believe, there will be update 3 is just an elevator. Update 2, there's no Roblox building. Update 4 is gonna be a Roblox building. Now, if you guys are wondering, how do you get up the stairs? Here's how. This is a complete walkthrough, guys. There might not be any other walkthroughs on this channel. I actually am the player who made this, like seriously. Running on my PC, Roblox. It is a little glitchy sometimes. Sometimes it'll like, it won't function a lot, so I have to make this video quick and easy. I don't know if this is the real Roblox building. I say Roblox. Some people say Roblox. Sometimes I just say Roblox. Now, once you go to the Roblox, same thing. Once you go to the building, you have to reset your character or fall off because there's no other way to get across. Unless you're a master at parkour, which I am not. Sorry if I talk too much, guys, but it's true. You gotta go to the nuclear base next, because that's where that is where the story goes. I would add Baldi characters, but I don't have time to do that because I made this game. I don't know when I made it, but it is from 2019. Sorry if I talk too much, guys. I'm serious. I am eager to see if you guys like the game. I don't know if this will be on my channel. I just got this new screen recorder, not Screencastify. That's how I record on my tablet. I'm finally recording on my Windows 10. I've never done that before. This used to be Windows 7, guys. Now, if you enjoy stories on my channel, guys, don't forget to thumbs up. So, let me do that story on my channel. Okay, so here's the reason why I think that Sub-Zero lost his voice. Well, this is the reason why I can think. This is not part of the channel. This is just a theory. And I'm not gonna do Sub-Zero next to my Zero voice, but here's what I am gonna do, guys. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up. It's likely greatly appreciated, and it's really good. Like, it's just a really good habit if you guys thumbs up. It will support me, and I can make more content, and other YouTubers can make more content. Yeah. Now, I edit videos on an old Chromebook. Big coincidence. It's not a very good Chromebook. You guys see that? Now, let me tell you what happened to the channel. So, pretty much, here's what I think about the channel. You guys may think it's cringy and all. I started my YouTube as an excited person. I have ADHD. Don't question me there, guys. I just do. Now, guys, here's the reason why I have ADHD. Hard time focusing. Don't get that much done. Now, if you guys want to see loads of content, then please thumbs up. thumbs up. Thumbs up, yeah. Please thumbs up. And like or subscribe on this video. It would be greatly appreciated. Oh. Anyways, guys, back to the video. Now, guys, sometimes I may have problems. So, guys, don't get me wrong. I love YouTube. I love everything about it. Here's what I don't love about YouTube. Now, YouTube has to monetize loads of videos. I hate when YouTube does that. Guys, it's not very good when YouTube has to do that. So, what I do normally, well, I don't even know if this is going to get a ton of views. I have very horrible videos, guys. I've made a Go Animate video. I will show that to you guys at least. I'm not very good with those videos. A lot of people are. I'm not. That's not my one talent. I am good at posting YouTube videos, but I'm not good at Go Animate really well. So, or beyond. Why YouTube? Like, why Go Animate changed it to Beyond? Why? Now, the reason why Go Animate is so cringy today. Go Animate, make your fan animations. Go Animate. Probably because of that guy who said, Go Animate, make your fan animations. Yeah. Sorry guys, I just can't get up the ledge. 2,000 likes, I will do this. Eat! I knew how to do it. Now guys, if you're wondering, what was that massive explosion? This baby right here. We got an iPhone. Oh yeah. Ooh, I think I should text. I wonder what the time. Oh, it's 12:59. 13. Now, guys, we're getting to the story. So there was this guy. So he loved YouTube. He was a really good, famous guy, doing so much good videos. Look at him, my guy, guys. That Numa video gave me loads of good, happy people. People love Numa. The reason why Numa is so popular. Hold up, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. The reason why Numa is so popular, well, I don't know. I don't know its backstory. Just watch this video. Why Numa has so much views. They'll tell you. I'm gonna have to end the video, guys. I'm eating right now, so catch you guys later.